What's up guys, welcome to another episode. Hope you're all healthy and doing great and all happy. So today I got a special one. I want to be making some food, some delicious food. So growing up, my dad was Greek, my mum was Filipino, and they would always cook some awesome food. Dad would cook Greek food, mum would cook Filipino food. The whole house would smell amazing. There was one specific dish my dad made for me, was Greek stuffed tomatoes. And he had like rice and all sorts of delicious stuff in there. You can have literally have it for breakfast. You can have it for lunch or dinner. It's that good. Anyone can have it, and everyone's gonna love it. Trust me. So I want to be making that because it was one of my favorites when I was growing up, and I miss it so much now. You know, now that I've grown up, you know, I haven't got my parents don't really cook for me that much, so it's all up to me. But I'll be making that for you guys now, and we'll get cooking and we'll get started. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright. What's up, guys? Alright, I'm all done. This looks so delicious. Smells good. I tasted it. Yes, it is awesome. Alright, guys, I want to dig in. I'm starving. I haven't eaten lunch yet, but I'm going to dig in. This is so good. But yeah, you can make this anytime you want, and it's great. And everyone's gonna like this dish heaps. Alright. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next episode, you have an awesome day. Alright.